What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today on a very exciting tech video for you guys, and check this out. This is what my backyard looked like about 10 minutes ago, and this is what it looks like right now. No electrician, no wiring, no complicated setup, just solar. These are the new Govee outdoor solar string lights, and a huge thank you to Govee for sponsoring this video and sending these out for review. I've been running these now for a few days in my backyard, along my back fence, above my garden trellises, and they add a beautiful ambience to the decor. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set these up, which is stupid simple, how the app works, all the different scene modes, the lighting that you can get from these, and also the best possible use cases for these particular lights. In addition, at the end, I'm going to walk you through how to choose the best Govee outdoor lighting setup for you, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and let's go ahead and get started. First, let's talk about why solar on these outdoor string lights, because it's an important thing, and if you're not familiar with what else is available out there, you might not quite be sure why they went with solar here. Most outdoor string lights end in a wall plug. You've got drilling, extension cords, or one of those outdoor outlet boxes. Solar removes all of that. In the box, you get 34 feet of string, 8 bulbs, and a solar panel with a built-in stake, which is incredibly simple to set up. The panel has 4,800 milliamp hour battery, and on a full charge, Govee rates these up for 13 hours of runtime. You can get from sunset to past midnight easy, and the main way these charge is solar, which I love because it's completely free and there's nothing to think about. The panel just soaks up the sun, which is perfect here in Phoenix, Arizona, where it's sunny basically all the time. But there's also a built-in USB-C port as a backup, so on a long cloudy stretch, you can plug it in and top up. Basically, the strategy here is solar first, but you have the USB-C cable if you need it. And of course, if you do live somewhere, obviously here in Phoenix, not really a problem for me, but if you live somewhere where it is cloudy a lot, like maybe Seattle or Portland, this is a fantastic option to have, and I'm glad that Govee thought of it. Let's talk about installation, and this is really the easiest part. Basically, go ahead and plant the stakes somewhere in your backyard where it's sunny, wherever you plan to set these up. It's very, very simple to then just run the lights along your fence like I've done here. And this would be a lot more complicated if I had to deal with plugging it in and other annoying wiring considerations, but because they're solar, it's very simple. I have them above the garden trellises, and this took less than 10 minutes flat to get set up. The only thing that I would say here is that make sure you let the panel charge for a few hours before you mount everything so that you've got juice to test the same evening, and keep the run nice and straight along the fence. The taut lines look way cleaner with this setup, and that's literally all you really need to think about. 2 minutes and you're up and running, and when can you really say that for any other type of lighting product? All right, so let's talk about the fun part here, which is the aesthetics and what these actually look like. First of all, the bulbs are clear and transparent, which lets the color really come through, and that's one facet that I really do enjoy. The tech behind it is something Govee calls LuminBlend, and what it does is create soft, natural pastel-like tones inspired by actual nature. Think the warm glow of a sunset or the soft green of early spring. It's not harsh at all, and it's not saturated party colors. It's the kind of light that feels calming after a long day, which is honestly what you want when you're sitting out in your backyard relaxing. Let me show you how this works through these scene modes. I'm going to start in white light mode, clean, warm, classic stream light look. Now I'll tap over to natural and pick a sunset scene. You can see how it transitions across the whole string instead of each bulb just being one flat color. That's the LuminBlend working, and that's exactly what differentiates these from other light strings on the market. And here is the yellow and green palette, which is probably my everyday go-to. It looks like upgraded cafe lights. I actually love the ambience that this sets in my backyard, and like I said, if you're someone who wants to come home, sit on your back porch at night and just relax, this is something that really adds to that setup and can be something that you're going to enjoy with your whole family. At 50 lumens per bulb, these are ambience lights, not floodlights, and that's the entire point. You're setting a mood here, and you're not lighting an entire parking lot. Now, talking about the smart side of this, the smart home facet, these do connect over Bluetooth in the Govee Home app, and there's a couple of things to consider that goes along with that. First of all here, this is Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi, so you will control it from your phone when you're in range of the lights. And two, there is no Alexa and no Google Home or no Apple Home on this model. That means that you're going to need to use the Govee Home app to control it, which for me is not really a big deal, especially with all the benefits that you get from the solar aspect of the implementation. What you do get here, and what actually solves the everyday problem, is the timer. You can set a schedule once, like on at sunset, off at midnight, and the lights just do that every single day and night on their own. You don't need to be home, you don't need to open the app at all, and that's the smart made simple pitch, and for outdoor ambient lighting, it's the feature that matters most to me. Picking a scene is dead simple as well. You can go ahead and tap on scene, pick a category, and then go ahead and choose the effect. And you can check out these pastel palette options in here. These soft nature inspired tones are where the product really stands out from typical solar lights. You just don't see this on other lights on the market. Next, let's talk about durability, because you're going to be putting these outside, and any smart home product that's going to live outside, you have to think about durability and weathering. Govee rates this whole system at IP67, that's dust tight and submersible in water. The bulbs, controller, panel, all of it. The bulbs are F1 grade UV resistant, so they won't yellow or crack from sitting in the Arizona sun all summer, and the LEDs are rated for around 30,000 hours with a 2-year warranty. To put that to the test, I ran it through some basic torture tests. First of all, I left it out here in the hot Arizona Phoenix sun. That is the obvious one, and they survived just fine. Now, when it comes to summer, I'll test this a bit more, but I'm not really concerned. It got up to about 100 here last week, even in April, and they're still running. I also submerged them in some water after doing a few cannonballs in my pool. These are right behind my pool, so having the waterproof aspect is absolutely perfect for us. And for drop resistance, the bulbs survive a 1 meter fall onto concrete without cracking. One important note though, the solar panel itself is not drop rated, so handle that part carefully during your install, but once it's staked in the ground, it's not going anywhere, but don't go tossing it around during setup. Buyer's guide here. Before we wrap up, just a few important things that you should know if you're considering these particular lights. If you have an outlet and want max brightness plus Wi-Fi and voice control, look at the Outdoor String Lights 2 or the chromatic lights from Govee. If you want the refined clear bulb look, the clear bulb model. But if your situation is like mine, you have no convenient outlet, you want it to just work, and you love the appeal of the solar plus that soft pastel lighting that I've talked about in this video, then the solar string lights are absolutely perfect for you, and I 100% recommend that you check them out. I'll be linking all of those Govee lights that I just mentioned in the description, but these solar lights really landed for me and my family. We've been enjoying them here in our backyard right above the garden trellises. I think they look absolutely beautiful. For under $100, you're getting a solar light that's actually easy to install, actually durable with the IP67 and UV resistant build, and has legitimately beautiful lighting with the pastel and white light modes. It does color, it does warm white, it handles the daily on-off schedule on its own, and you never have to think about plugging it in. That's a pretty complete package, and for us, it's one that we're going to continue running right along our back fence. It's absolutely fantastic. Like I said, I'll have the links to the solar string lights as well as all those other Govee lights I mentioned if perhaps you are interested in one of the other models. They'll all be in the pinned comment description. Let me know what you guys have in your backyard setup. Could you use a set of solar string lights like this from Govee? The smart control, the timer, the durability, everything is just the total package for us. Hit like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you guys checking this out. We appreciate Govee for sponsoring the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.